Who is so tall? Yes, it's a giraffe. Hi friends, it's Kiki. Are you ready for a creative adventure? Let's draw. First, a small head. Now 2 little ears. A long neck. Now a big body. And 4 strong legs. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Don't forget the tail. Wait, something is missing. Spots. Let's draw magic circles. Small ones, big ones, everywhere. Color time. Orange body and face and black spots. Your giraffe is beautiful. Show it to mommy. See you next time. Bye-bye.